Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch brushes in Procreate. First, open the Brushes panel by tapping the brush icon at the top right of your canvas. Next, tap the small plus sign in the top right corner of the Brushes panel to create a brand new brush. This action will automatically open the powerful Brush Studio, where all the magic happens. You are now ready to begin customizing your unique sketching tool. Now let's define the visual characteristics of your brush. Navigate to the Shape tab and select a suitable shape source. This determines the basic form of your brush tip. Then, move to the Grain tab to choose a grain source, which adds texture and depth. You can adjust the scale and rotation of both the shape and grain to achieve your desired sketching effect, making your lines feel organic. Next, we'll fine-tune how your brush behaves. In the stroke path and taper sections, adjust settings to control how your lines begin and end. Explore the Dynamics panel to experiment with pressure and tilt responses, giving your brush sensitivity. Finally, set general brush properties such as maximum size and opacity to ensure it performs exactly as you envision for your sketching needs. Once you are satisfied with your settings, tap Done to save your new brush. Procreate will prompt you to name it, so choose something descriptive. It is crucial to test your brush extensively on the drawing pad to see how it feels and performs. If it is not quite right, simply re-enter the Brush Studio to make any necessary adjustments until your custom sketch brush is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.